Morning, everybody. I'm getting ready to just turn on my motor, wash the Samsung motor and my PC board that I designed with a special software in it to run a three-phase motor, and I haven't run it for a long time, so I've got it so that the fan's got power, I got power to the PC board, and I got power to the motor, and I've got a load out here connected to it, which is a little 120 volt lamp, just to prove that it's generating 120 out of the generator. And so we're going to try to fire it up here. Pretty noisy. But it's putting out 120 volts, so I know the whole thing is still working, so that's good. So now alright, let's turn that off. Okay, we're ready to the next video. I'm going to fire up these two-pole transformers, and let me crank this back up again, and I'll show you how many amps it's drawing from the 120 line, and it should be right around 4.25 4.23 amps to run the motor generator. So that's about, I don't know, almost 500 watts, and what a racket. Anyway, alright guys, we're getting ready to fire this thing up and see what Gerard stuff's all about. And when Gerard did his amp meter test, my meter's I'm not running now, but this is basically what he showed, was 0.01 to point, whatever, and I can't go much on the current because I've got my fuse up here is I've got a 2 amp run on the PC board, and I've got, I think, a 4 amp fuse or a 5 amp fuse that's actually running this whole three-phase driver circuit for the motor. And so we're getting close. I just got to connect the wires up to this, and then the white wire goes to the center post, and then the black wire goes to the right hand post. That's the 120 going in. I should get 14,000 coming out the top over to the other transformer. I finally got this stuff in, and this is the high voltage shield that the linemen use on power lines. I'm going to cover this top thing up in case somebody's watching this and slips and falls, and so they don't get hung up in this 14,000, because it would certainly hurt. Anyway, so that's where we are today. And I'll just quickly take you over to what I've got. I finished this the other day. I've got all these guys are ready to go here for the motor test for the car. So anyway, we're getting there. A lot going on. Have a good